Hello, Nomad Sculpt. This is a video, a riddle video, part 3. It's about this cute red hoodie. Okay. Um, and the workaround is this. Panca Saputra has posted a picture of this wireframe of a hoodie, of this sweatshirt, and I thought it's not possible to do it with this low poly in Nomad Sculpt. Such a clear mesh. But he did it, and he showed us the way, and I show it to you now. Or, okay, this is the hoodie. If you want to do it your own, you can stop the video now. This was made of only one sphere. A sphere is the start, and the rest is masking and extracting, not sculpting, also not real much. Okay, press pause if you want to do it your own, and now I start. I create a new scene. Yes. We need a sphere. Post subdivision, reduce it, and validate it. I do it real fast. Okay, we need the trim tool. Symmetry is okay. Let's go to the left view and trim this part off. Next step is use the move tool. Symmetry is on. Here, move this a little bit down, and this like this. And go to the bottom view, and you can here adjust it a little bit. This is the neck, and you can use the cell mask. Make sure that front-facing vertex is selected, and with a lasso tool you can select this mesh here. Mask it. In the mask settings, make sure border smoothness is to 0. Very important. And now you can split it with none. Split it. I turn on the outline. And now mask this object, this one, and extract it with a shell thickness of 5 is okay, and extract it. And now go in the solo view, use the mask, like this. I hope. Okay, only this part, and in the mask use the split function and delete this part. Go in the solo view. Now you got the sphere and this part. You can simple merge it. Okay, next step is masking. A smaller radius and mask, not unmask, mask this part here. And invert the mask and use the gizmo to scale it down. Clear the mask. in the left, now come on, left view, you can use the trim function and trim this part off, and use the split function to make here a split, and simple merge it again. With the move brush, you can bring here your topology, smaller brush radius. You can bring here your topology a little bit in position for the arm. I think this is okay. And use the mask, smaller radius. Symmetry is on. I think it's okay. And split the object again. Split it. And use the solo view to check the meshes. And select this mesh and extract it. This mesh we can delete. And this mesh masks the inner part like this and split it. And you can delete now this one. Now you get a mesh like this. And you can simple merge it. And mask it to pull the arms out. Invert the mask. And scale it a little bit like this. And here you can, let's trim it. Clear the mask. Now check your mesh. It looks fine. And here's a diagonal line in the mesh. We can try to mirror it now, left to the right. And okay, the topology is fine, I think. And now we need a few splittings. We can use the lasso tool. Simple merge it, split it. Why does it? Is there a mask? No. Nothing to front. Lasso tool is active. Simple merge. And the body simple merge the object, and now mirror it from the right to the left again. Then it looks like this. The next step is subdivide the mesh. Now it gets a little bit clearer. Yes, I think it's okay. And with a move brush, you can now make it a little bit bigger. You can now create the arms and Now it's a little bit of sculpting. Here you can go. You can create your details. Relax the mesh a little bit. To get real clear shapes. And the last thing is to mask it. And with a mask, shell thickness of 0.3 and extract the mask. Now we got a nice sculpted hoodie, and with a subdivision, it looks real cute thing. That's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.